true colors.
Yes.
And I don't even realize that.
That's why I believe sir, him start this. Me feel like
You know, sister, expose her.
Yes,
Him a show Uno Anna true colors. Who Anna is.
yes.
I pick up that long time. And me I say, look how Anna fall feed. But me forget say she not so wise like me, Uno. You understand? She not so intelligent, she not so bright. So she not pick up say, listen, that man here expose me. Look how the man expose me. He's expose her. Him show her true colors.
Every time something go wrong between him and Anna, we automatically the internet take Anna side. Cause we not like Redance.
Right.
Away how him deal with her. You
right.
Get me? So Redance now say, yeah, you not gonna bring me down no more. Me I go show you when me a deal with behind closed door. That him bring to the forefront.
Go on, Shay.
There, man. He was too calm.
Big up yourself.
Go father.
You know what's the last night, Shay? We got cross my life and he slipped me for fucking screen record it. You know what I say? Anna mother say, audience Pitney.
Yeah, we know that from today.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do it for outside video. Because somebody want to screen record if we post on my YouTube. And then I say, right, then if my mother can come say this. Then, so all this time here, everybody are kill Redance with lick on the media. That's what
that we over here say Redance never just walk well with all of the bring down where him get. Him never walk well left that.
I'm there just take man say boy. I'm there appreciate the youth wicked. But she wicked on the youth, man.
Wicked.
Wicked on Redance, man. That means all this beating Redance are beating for a reason. I mean, Redance are beating for a reason. I think you can't tell me.
It's so obvious and it's so evident, like everybody, even Stevie Wonder, Ray Charles can see that's not his child. From the day the him come show the forehead and the foot and the hand, and I see how that baby is. Cause even if a baby color go change, you can't see it. With the knuckles, you can't see it. With the ears, them must say me have pitney, you can't know when a pitney color go change.
But Nana.
Him wanted us to see the baby enough for him from them time there.
But Nana. But she have a reason and she tell him say, boy, she not sure. When him
ask again,
I show him sure mafia. You know to say I show him sure.
She not sure.
She said she not sure, then hear her now. So hear her now, him say, she said she not sure, then him say, you're not sure, hear her. You're not sure, so me not sure.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
You're just being sarcastic. You're really not sure for true. You don't know.
So she if him not sure, she not sure, so everybody.
But Shay, anyway, she no want short after be audience or somebody else can between audience and Redance. That's just not Redance Pitney cross the board.
Maybe I feel me.
Maybe an audience sister man. I say go Shay.
No, audience. All right, audience sister. We'll explain this already. Audience sister. Man. Audience sister man. He's brown like Redance, so it's not possible.
Yeah. So audience Pitney then. That Pitney father is, and she's bleaching the baby skin. One for me alone she bleach the baby skin.
Say eczema. Them say eczema. I don't know, but them say eczema.
Eczema.
That's the way them say.
So I want to be able to because
November.
So you know why I believe that she bleach the baby skin? When she take picture of the baby, she filter out the baby to look so brown. Oh, she want that baby to be brown. The way how she the Lulu, Shay and liar wicked, me believe that she bleach the baby skin. Because the way, look how far you go for want this man to be a baby father. Like, come on, what you want to do? Whatever left for she want to go Shay.
Baby face me a come, yeah.
The same man where she put out on the media say abusive and narcissistic. I'm sure for be a baby father. And that's what she would have to herself.
I understand that my dancing, but I'm just saying, I'm not put nothing right there, some woman. I'm not put nothing past her. Because the way of Shay, if Anna tell me say a night right now, I lie, tell her daytime. She lie, you know?
If she not sure, who pick the man for me?
No, I wonder if people realize how she come out here and make the media bring down Annie, Chanel, red hands, our brother, our little sister them. Remember she come and she portray this whole Jesus Christ have mercy. She lie.
So Nana, only no see Annie live.
When though?
Mafia, you never see Annie live.
You sleep me.
A while ago.
You sleep me,
No,
man.
sister girl.
Alright, come and replay Annie live phone now.
Play it for me there, sister girl.
Hold on, me I gotta tell you out of my mouth. Annie say, she used, when Anna was 11-year-old, she tell Anna say, the man here, she used to deal with 2 men at one time. But she say is Martin breeder is not the other man, Jerome or whatever one name. She say Jerome want be the father and one woman, she always see Anna and say, oh, this baby look like my pitney so. That baby a favor my pitney man. And the woman take her up in arms and say, the woman call her son a foreigner and say, you have one baby. And then when the boy see the baby on the phone, Peter, yeah, when the boy see the baby on the phone, the boy say, no man, the baby a favor me man. And the family take in the baby. Anna and Annie tell Anna say, when she 11, you have some set of family, it's not your father, you know. But them have money and them are going to take care of you and them are going to make sure so everything all right with you. You're going to go good school, you're going to wear pretty clothes. So, I want you act like, say, this is your father, but just know, say, you come see me per weekend. Me I repeat everything.
This.
Listen, she say, every weekend, you go come see me. Them agreed to that at the age of 11.
So much.
Listen to me now, me not done. When Anna got the family them yard, right? Them take her in, buy her everything, pretty clothes. She said Anna come back with one bag. When Anna come back with one bag to some clothes in there, she see one shot so I can fit her. She said she take out the shots and she put it on. Anna run, go to the door, run up and down and throw herself in the dirt and scream and make there nice in front of the woman. Anna pipe on the shots and say she have on her shots where her family, the so-called not bloodline related family buy, give. Anna say she shame like dog in front of the woman. You right? You not hear me?
Yeah, man.
After that now, Annie say she look past that. Although she shame, she look past it and everything. She say one day she say everything change. She say Anna stop come at the house every weekend. It's every 2 weeks she start coming. She say no man, something change, man. Me I go for my pitney. She said she go down to the people in me and say, I want me pitney. Give me my pitney. And Anna start ball and make me a nice say she don't want to live with her mother because her mother treat her bad. And her mother this and her mother that. Right? That's what she say. Anna say. She say, Anna, the people them tell her, say, leave Anna. When Anna ready, she will come home to you. She say, one day when she look, she say, Anna pop up and she say, why are you here? And she say, my father hug me, but me not like how him hug me. Me not like the hug. He not feel like a father hug. She said she go down and the people them know and she said to them, say, listen, me go be truthful to you. Anna don't belong to you. Anna is not for you. I'm sorry and me apologize. Anna is not for you. Anna is for somebody else. And she said, from this so the woman never talk to her. And from this so the woman never talk to her and then them talk back no. Don't like no, you must talk back and them cool. I remember everything. From this so the woman never talk to her.
Uncle of not father.
She never like all the uncle and the father hug. She never like all the uncle hug her. No, that is not that story that me attack. The uncle is a different one. Listen, me not done. Uncle is Uncle Bob. Bob is Peter, brother. You not tell me not to come remember everything. Bye. Anyways, the lady husband hug Anna, which are the so-called grandmother husband, give Anna a hug. Anna says she not like the hugs.
Anna used to hug her, but never hug Anna before in her life.
Right, exactly. She said she go down and go tell her, say, she better tell her the truth. It's not, Anna don't belong to no. I'm really sorry and whatever. She say, after that, is the next story this now, you know. Anna is Peter father. Peter Spence is Anna father, otherwise called Simon. Sorry, Simon. She say, Anna have an uncle named Bob. Give Anna money. Right?
Wait there, sister girl. Wait there, come back, look a bit. Come back.
Anna real father named Peter.
And the makeup family father named who?
She never called her name there because she never want to call her.
So we don't have for the fake father and family.
Yeah, we're going for the real father now.
Alright, no. Jesus.
So, Peter Spence now is the real father. So, Peter have a brother named Bob. Bob always bring money go give Anna, look after her, everything. One day, Bob give Anna a hug. Anna go back go tell Annie, say she don't like the hug of Bob hug her. It's not an uncle hug.
Wait. These are the real. These are the
real father, Peter. The fake family are Jerome and Cynthia. But the real father now, Peter Spence, she says Peter Spence is Anna's father. But him uncle named Bob. Yeah. Anna's real family named Bob. The uncle named Bob. Anna say Uncle Bob hug her and she don't like the hug where she get from Uncle Bob.
So what do Anna hug so?
I don't know.
But come back, but before you reach the real family, sister girl. What a story.
Listen to me not done. Listen to the next one now. Cause when me done, me I go over Shibada. Listen to the next one now. Annie, used to deal with one man when he am Prento. And Martin. Annie used to take Prento things, the money, and Martin, which is Annie, baby father did alright with the money sweet, and them laugh and bust our fist, shake hand together and take the boy money, Ray. Annie go put on a little fuck, pan Prento. Annie there one day, yes, so Prento get beat up because him thief, in the hospital him there. Annie go look for Prento in the hospital, while she and Martin have a follow because Martin has say, look like you care about that man, yeah. What so she say? She tell Martin, say, the man take care of we and do everything. I will laugh about it and me bus officer with it alright. So why me can't look after him? She say that make sure no there.
So wait there, them say Martin and Alex father. Stick up in
yes, it's Alex father.
So all them are different father?
We not done. I be a different father. Listen now.